Hello everyone, I'm Bee, and today I'll be showing you how I clear the oil from my filter hood range. Okay, a filter hood range is when you do cooking, you have to switch it on. So a cooker hood filter has two sides. This side is where the oil is being sucked in, and then you go up and some of the oil will fall back here. So when you see a filter hood being oily, the oil is being stuck inside there. So these are the two that I have cleaned using baking soda. Baking soda, vinegar, and hot water. Okay, so these two I gotten pretty good result, but sometimes you see there's still some oil stuck in between. Okay, so I don't like to see all the oily things stuck in between the net. So finally I found a solution. I use this one, Krud Kutter. Okay, so what I do is I soak this inside this Tupperware container. Okay, so this is the one that was very stubborn. Okay, it had a lot more oil inside, but I already removed. So when I soak inside here, see the water will turn oily. Can you see? Can you see the water? Can you see the water turning oily? Yeah, so I'm very happy with this. So now this one can go under the sun. Okay, so I have spent days scrubbing. I even use toothpick. I use needle to try and poke out all the oil that is stuck. Okay, usually I will do it on the back surfaces where I will use the needle and scoop out the oil. Okay, so I find that this method works the best because I've been very frustrated trying to get the oil out of the oil filter, and I don't like to put it back into the cooker range when it's not fully clean. So now I have a clean filter hood, I can put it back again. So I hope you like this video, and if you like, please like, comment and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you, bye bye.